guys, Chaz Haggy. I finished my Saturn V rocket a couple hours ago, and my phone/camera was charging, and my other cameras my brother was using. So this one is pretty tall. It's about, I'd say it's a good 2.5 feet. I don't actually have the correct measuring, but every section comes apart. So this section up to here, this white section in between the black comes apart. Then this section here in between that white and that black there comes apart. And that black cylinder comes apart. Silver one. This one is the one with the flaps where you can open the lem. That one is the command module, and this is the heat shield with the connecting unit. And then you can take this off, and every section comes apart, everything comes off, everything that's supposed to come off comes off. You can also attach the command module to the lunar module. You can take the top of the lunar module off. I'll show you right here on the top of the box, right there. And this is the second in the series if you haven't seen my other videos. This one was the first one. It was the lunar module with the astronauts and all the equipment. But here is there it is. See that the flap opens up, and you can take that out. And they don't show it coming off, but it does come off. It does. So yeah, that's that. And if you compare it to the Lego one, tiny scale actually. These are not equal. This Saturn V is about 2 times the size of this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm hoping to get the last one pretty soon. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you soon.